At TC Communications, one of the key reasons that customers prefer our products is the fact that we offer design, manufacturing, and support in the U.S. And this means when you call us, you're talking to people based here in the U.S. that are fully aware of your needs, as well as meeting the TAA and Made in America requirements for the use of federal funds. One of the many advantages of being U.S.-based is we can provide a personal care to our customers, bringing them custom products and solutions. In today's video, we are going to focus on how, if we do not have exactly the product you need, we can often put together a solution by customization and integration of our products. This makes it easier for our customers by having access to our engineers at our Irvine, California headquarters. TC Communications is the global leader in providing and interfacing legacy communication equipment for modern networks. And we concentrate on that both with our Ethernet-based Jumbo Switch product family or our Jumbo Bank and Mini Channel Bank product family, which are T1 or E1 based, as well as our extensive range of fiber optic products. However, from time to time, even with our impressive range of products, we do come across customers that have an application or a product requirement that we've not seen before. What happens when we don't have exactly the right product you're looking for? One of the advantages of our California-based facility is that our engineering team is not only available to provide personal guidance, they are also available after the network is in place. We provide a strong personal relationship with our customers, and our engineering and support staff are all available at our Irvine, California facility. When a customer has a unique product requirement, in many cases, our engineers can modify an existing product or design a completely custom product in order to meet said customer's needs. And this process is often done in an efficient, responsive fashion utilizing our knowledge of legacy applications. Let's talk about 3 specific examples when TC Communications has provided this level of service. In this case, TC Communications was approached by a major military contractor. They were looking to utilize one of our mode converter products. The product that they were interested in was our TC3024 shown here. Although designed to operate between 600 bits per second to up to 10 megabits per second, the product had selectable bands of baud rates within the overall baud rate operational limits, spanning multiple baud rate selections of the existing TC3024. Our engineers redesigned the optical circuitry to broaden the operational range to meet the requirements, and within a short period of time, we were able to provide a product that met the customer's application. Not only by designing them a new product, but designing it in a short time frame that allowed them to not only conduct field trials, but also meet their product timelines. This shows how working with US-based experts provided a great outcome both from a technical and time frame point of view. The second application is in the public safety domain, where we have many years of experience connecting analog radio systems, particularly where a customer is looking to replace copper lease lines. A customer approached us with Motorola radio base stations and ancillary equipment, which used a version of serial communication, a synchronous serial communication called V.24. At the time, we did not have a product for this particular application. We made a few required modifications to our Jumbo Switch TC3847-3 interface card. Once again, we were able to work closely with our customer, paying them visits and providing them with a prototype of our custom unit. We conducted a field trial for the TC3847-3, and our engineers provided in-field support for the new product, another benefit of working with a company that is based in the US. This case highlights the flexibility of TC Communications Jumbo Switch being able to meet a variety of customer needs. For our third example, let's examine a case involving the utility industry. In this case, we did have a product that met their needs. The product that we provided was part of our Jumbo Switch product family, which connects over an Ethernet network, and to communicate, uses IP addresses to direct the ports. However, the customer's requirement would not allow the use of IP addressing. We examined their cybersecurity requirements, and after consulting with the customer, decided to add an option to the jumbo switch that allows the use of MAC addressing instead of IP. Now users have the option of using a MAC address with the jumbo switch rather than an IP address for the source and destination of each of the ports. While originally designed for a single customer, after consultation with some of our other industry customers, it was clear that there is wider application for this, and so we will be rolling out this feature in an upcoming release in Q1 of 2024. The reason we're able to produce custom products in a timely manner is because our products are designed, built, and supported here in Irvine, California, USA, and our engineers are available for personal guidance. That's what TC Communications is all about. Personalized quality made in the USA. When you do come to us with a unique solution, oftentimes we are perfectly able to help either with our standard range of products or occasionally with custom products, and the fact that we are US based means we can offer greater flexibility and timing. Please visit our website at tccomm.com. From our homepage, feel free to click on resources and case studies to read about a wide range of fascinating cases we've been involved with since 1991. Also, you can get in touch with us by clicking on Contact Us in the top right corner. Please like and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching.